another product video for this eufy X10 Pro Omni robotic vacuum. This is going to be an unboxing and a product overview video. So let's get into it and let's find out what this unit brings and how well that it cleans your house. Okay, so it comes with this ramp so that the vacuum could go inside the base. You just put this in place like so. Here's your power cord. Here's your base station. Then here's the vacuum itself. You see that it has the AIC cameras in the front, power button, your home button. Here's the suction, the big wheels to go over the different objects, and the swivel wheel right here. So you just put it in like so, and then it will charge it over here. This is where you insert your clean water. You lift it up, clean water there. On the back is where you put your dirty water. Then here is the dust pad. One of my favorite features has to be the AIC Smart Cleaning. This is next level obstacle avoidance. It's like having a robot with eyes. It can recognize over 100 different types of objects, so whether it's a pair of kids' shoes, kids' toys, or cables, the X10 Pro Omni navigates around them with ease, even in low light. First off, this isn't just a vacuum. It's a complete cleaning system. From sweeping to mopping, it's built to handle multiple types of flooring. For tile and hardwood, the vacuum's powerful 8,000 PA suction ensures every bit of dust and debris is removed in one pass, even catching that stubborn pat hair that's sometimes tricky to spot. And for mopping, the X10 Pro Omni uses advanced Mop Master 2.0 technology. Let's talk about what that means. Mop Master 2.0 applies just the right pressure, gently cleaning hardwood while being thorough on tiles. And here's a huge plus. When it detects carpet or a raised area, it automatically lifts the mop heads by 12 millimeters, so you don't have to worry about getting your rugs wet or your floorboards scratched. Let's see how well this picks up the dirt. In one suction pass, very strong suction, 8,000 power, suction power. You can see it's mopping and picking up the dirt. Let's see how well this picks up the ketchup stains. You see how it picked it up real quick, and it's gonna go over it again just to do a final pass over it. So it cleans it very good. Nice and spotless. And here's something I love. The all-in-one station. This station does way more than just recharge the vacuum. When the X10 Pro Omni docks, it automatically washes the pads with fresh water, dries them with warm air at 113 Fahrenheit, and even empties its dustbin. All that dirty dust and debris goes into the 2.5 liter dust bag, which only needs to be replaced once every 2 months. That's almost hands-free cleaning. And if you're wondering how hands-free it really is, The X10 Pro has an all-in-one station that makes maintenance super simple. The mop pads are automatically washed using clean water and then dried with warm air to prevent any odors or bacteria from building up. The vacuum empties dust into a 2.5 liter bag at the station, which only needs replacing every 2 months. It even has a 3 liter clean water tank, which provides enough to mop an area up to 2,000 square feet multiple times. So here's where you keep your clean water. You can see here, here's your clean water. And this is where the dirty water comes out at. You can see the dirty water there. And then this is where the 2.5 liter dust bag is. And this is where the mop pads are being dried. This is how the app looks once you set it up with your Wi-Fi, and the X10 Pro Omni is connected via Wi-Fi to your app. So you have the option to do a full house daily clean, a full home deep clean, a post meal clean, and then you can even set up a customized mode. So once you press the enter button, you see how it already has a map of my first floor, and then it shows in the kitchen area the areas that it already passed with the white line here. And then with the blue icon, those are different objects that the X10 detected, so that way it moved out of the way. So at this moment right now, you can see where the base station is, and that is drying the Master Mop 2.0 brush heads right now. So it'll be ready for the next use. There's different options. You could set your rooms, which rooms that you wanted to clean. And then you can even set up a no clean zone area if you want to set that up. And then it shows your battery levels on top. If you go into settings, you're able to perform all these different settings here. The X10 Pro Omni also comes with iPath laser navigation and customizable AI map 3.0. This means it learns your home layout and create precise, efficient cleaning routes. You can set no-go zones or virtual boundaries, so the vacuum stays exactly where you want it. This level of control makes it easy to get a spotless clean without any surprise. So if you're looking for the best value multi-surface robotic vacuum with unbeatable suction and mopping for under $1,000, the eufy X10 Pro Omni is absolutely worth checking out. Don't just take my word for it. Head to the link in the description and you can see it for yourself.